Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete story archive on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Facebook and log in into your account. Then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down from the top, okay, and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Here you need to scroll down and here you can see your activity. Click on activity log, okay, and here you need to click on story activity, and here you need to click on archive. Click on story archive, and here you can see your story archive. Click on that and click on three dots, and here you can see an option to delete. Click on that option and click on delete. So this is the process by which you can delete story archive on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.